So I managed to get a leak of what might be an upcoming 5G rugged phone from Oukitel. It's called the Oukitel WP210 Pro, and this device is expected to be the successor of the Oukitel WP200 Pro. According to the details, the Oukitel WP210 Pro would be available in dark gray and red colorways. The device is also going to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor, just like the Oukitel WP200 Pro. Now, most of its top specs are leaked already, and I'll be showing you guys the specs in this video, but you need to have it in mind that these are just based on leaks and rumors. The specs may not be entirely correct, so make sure to take them with a pinch of salt. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, these are the top specs of the Oukitel WP210 Pro. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP210 Pro. You need to have it in mind that these specs are based on leaks and rumors, so they may not be entirely, correct. And I think I'll be comparing the specs of this device with the Oukitel WP200 Pro, just to point out the differences and similarities between both 5G rugged phones. Anyway, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.